Now, in this video, you're welcome to my channel. First of all, my name is Engineer Ladan. I want to show you how to use artificial intelligence to get information for yourself. Whatever you're looking for, whatever topic that you may be interested in, that you're looking for, it could be in the area of food, it could be the area of engineering, it could be the area of medicine, it could be the area of pharmaceutical, it could be the area of setting up a business. Or you may also want to get certain write-ups. Okay, you want the artificial intelligence to do some write-ups for you. Let me show you how to do it. Now, go to let's go to let me go to Google search. Alright, you see I already have Chatgpt login. So let me use my own Chatgpt login. Just tap on it. I'm going to tap on it. Can you see it has opened? So I'm going to tap on Chatgpt. Wait and see. Wait and see. It's loading. Just be patient. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, let me see what it's saying. Okay, it said I should verify I'm human. So let me verify. Okay, I've verified I'm human. Beautiful. Now, it's telling me get answers, find inspiration, be more productive, free to use, easy to write. Just ask and ChatGPT can help with writing, learning, brainstorming, and more. So tap on start now. Okay, now we're going to ask ChatGPT a simple question and let's see the answer it's going to give us. We're going to ask this question: how can I start a small business? Come down here on that message, say how can I start a small business? Question mark. So tell it, make it as brief make it, let me correct, make it as brief, okay, make it brief as possible, So now, this arrow that points up, let's tap on it. So let's wait, and we'll take this one down. Fantastic. What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? Can you see? It's still writing. Fantastic. It's done. So scroll down. See, it says idea and market research. So the number one thing you're going to do is you're going to get an idea and market research. I said identify a viable business idea and research your target market. That is number one. Number two, it says business plan. Draft a concise business plan outlining your business goals, target, audience, budget, and strategies. Number two, legal structure. Choose a legal structure. Example, sole proprietorship, LLC, which is LLC, and register your business. Number three, or rather number four, it says open a business bank account, secure funding if needed, and set up accounting. Number five says permit and license. Obtain necessary permits and license. Number six, location and equipment. Choose a business location, online or physical, and purchase required equipment. Number seven, branding. Create a brand identity with a name, logo, and outline presence. An online presence, website or social media. Number eight, launch and marketing. Launch your business and start marketing to attract customers. And the ninth one, monitor and grow. Track performance, adapt strategies to grow your business. So you can see how ChatGPT can help you, guide you, can help you give a structured step-by-step format of how to start a small business. I hope you have learned something from this. I want you to stay tuned to my channel. Give this video a like. If it has added value to you, give it a like. and I look forward to seeing you. And you can share it too. You can share this video. I look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you and bye bye.